pause for a moment before you scroll any further. Breathe. This message is not random. It is not noise. It is not coincidence. It is for the one who feels forgotten. Beloved, you have been carrying a quiet ache, the feeling of being unseen, overlooked, left behind while others move forward. You smile when you must. You show up when required. But deep inside, there is a question you rarely speak out loud. Have I been forgotten? My child, I am speaking to you now. I have seen the nights you felt invisible. I have watched the silent tears that never reached anyone else's eyes. I have heard the prayers you whispered and the ones you could not even form into words. You feel forgotten because the world has been loud and your heart has been tired. You feel forgotten because answers have been slow and waiting has felt heavy. You feel forgotten because you expected something different by now. But forgotten is not what you are. And chosen one. When others overlooked you, I did not. When doors closed, I remained beside you. When your name was not called, I still called you mine. You measure your worth by what has happened or what has not happened. I measure your worth by who you are, and you are known. You are not a background story in your own life. You are not a mistake in the timeline. You are not an afterthought in heaven. Come closer. Do not come to me with performance. Do not come to me trying to prove your faith. Come to me as you are, tired, uncertain, quietly hoping. I do not require perfection. I offer presence. When you feel forgotten, it is often because you are walking through a season of becoming. Roots grow in hidden soil, strength forms in unseen places, identity deepens in quiet spaces. You thought silence meant distance, but sometimes silence is where I hold you closest. My child, I have not forgotten your name. I have not misplaced your dreams. I have not ignored your prayers. Even when you feel unnoticed by people, you are fully seen by me. Even when your efforts seem unrecognized, your heart is known. Even when your path feels delayed, your purpose is still unfolding. Rest from striving. Rest from comparing. Rest from trying to make yourself visible. You are already seen. Feel the gentle steadiness around you now. Let your breathing slow. Let your shoulders soften. I am not rushing you. I am not disappointed in you. I am not distant from you. I am near. Place your hand over your heart for a moment. Notice the quiet rhythm. That steady beat is a reminder. You are still here, still held, still guided. The feeling of being forgotten is not your identity. It is a passing shadow. And shadows only exist because light is near. I am that light. Let your spirit agree with this truth. You are remembered. You are chosen. You are deeply loved. Whisper, I receive. Allowed peace to settle where doubt once sat. Allowed calm to form where anxiety once circled. Allow warmth to replace the cold thought that you were alone. You do not need to fight for my attention. You already have it, beloved. The season you are in is not punishment. It is preparation, not rejection, but refinement. Not abandonment, but alignment. There is purpose even here. There is protection even here. There is growth even here. Rest in this moment. If this spoke to you, share it with someone who needs peace. Write Amen as an act of faith, not to be seen by others, but to anchor your heart in truth. Hear me clearly now. You are not forgotten. You are not invisible. You are not alone. I am with you in the waiting. I am with you in the quiet. I am with you in the becoming. And as you move forward from this moment, Carry this assurance gently within you. No? You are remembered in heaven. You are held in love. You are safe in my presence. Peace is with you now.